Good afternoon, students. Today we will see the personality, the balance part. So yesterday we see the definition with regard to personality, like persona. There's a Latin word that what is the meaning of that? It is a theatrical mask we are putting in order to perform the actions in a different way, or in order to cover up something they are doing, like the Latin drama players. So for that purpose, this word is to be used, persona. From the Latin word persona, this is to be from the Latin word that is to be used for the personality. Then what are the characteristics with regard to personality? That also we see yesterday. So there are definitions also for personality. Then so the characteristics with the personality is it have a pattern of thoughts, behaviors, and the feelings that make a person unique from another. മറ്റൊരാളിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരാളെ വ്യത്യസ്തനാക്കുന്ന എന്താണ്? The personality ആണ്. So it is the pattern of thoughts, maybe ചിന്തകൾ, അയാളുടെ ചിന്തകള്, അതുപോലെ behavior, okay, as well as the feelings that make some person unique. Then another one is personality is the answer to the question why the people are different. Why the people are different from another. ഒരാള് മറ്റൊരാളിൽ നിന്ന് എങ്ങനെ വ്യത്യസ്തം, അതാണ് ഒരാള് So ഒരാള് മറ്റൊരാളിൽ നിന്ന്. So personality is the answer to the question why the people are different, and it cannot be easily changeable also. അത് എളുപ്പം മാറ്റാനും പറ്റില്ല. As well as personality consists of a person's characteristics like the physical and mental setting, the knowledge, the intelligence, the character, and the performance also. So that is the personality, and also it can impress others. Through a good personality, other person also can impress other. One person can impress the others through the personality. So that is meant by the characteristics with regard to the personality. Then what are the factors that affecting personality? Each and everything they are having some factors. Factors affecting personality are, number one is brain. നമ്മുടെ ബുദ്ധി വികസിക്കുന്ന അതേ ആ ഒരു procedure. So that is, what is that? Brain. Brain is one of the most important factors of personality determinant. It is generally believed that the father and the child adopt almost the same type of brain stimulation, and the later differences are the result of the environment in which child has been grown up. ഒരു കുട്ടി മുതിർന്നു വരുന്ന ആ ഒരു grown up ആ ഒരു സ്റ്റേജില് അതിന്റെ ബുദ്ധി വികസിക്കുന്നു. ആ ബുദ്ധി വികസിക്കുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് ആ കുട്ടിയുടെ പേഴ്സണാലിറ്റിയും വികസിക്കുന്നു എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. So it is one of the important factors of personality determinant. Which one? The brain. It is generally believed that the father and the child can adopt almost the same type of brain stimulation. Simulation means എന്താ? ഒരു ഉത്തേജനം. Okay, the brain stimulation, and the later the differences are the result of the environment in which the child has been grown up. കുട്ടി വരുന്നതിനനുസരിച്ച് ആ എൻവയോൺമെന്റ്, ആ പരിസ്ഥിതിക്ക് അനുസരിച്ച് എന്ത്, the personality of that child also become developed. അതാണ് first point, the factors affecting personality. One is brain. Another one is what? Physical factors. Physical characteristics of a person plays a vital role in the making the personality of an individual. So physical factors like physical features involve the height of a person, the color, the health status, the beauty, etc., etc. These factors influence when a person interacts with others, and thus contribute in the personality development in many ways. പല തരത്തിൽ ഇത് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്? It will influence. So that is the thing. Our physical character, another one. Physical characteristics. So physical characteristics. Under that, of a person plays a vital role in making the personality of an individual. Physical features, what all are the physical features that involve the height of a person is there. The height of a person is there. Then the color of a person, the health status of a person, the beauty thing, whether it is handsome or ugly, or fat or skinny, or white or black, or short or tall, whatever be the thing, it can have an influence over the personality over others. So therefore, these factors influence when a person interacts with the others and thus contribute in the personality development in many ways. പല തരത്തിൽ ഉണ്ട്. So through that, the physical factors also affects the personality. Physical factors also affect personality.